I'm going to review this townhouse by Sayud Constructions, and it's awesome. These guys are doing a lot of cool work recently. Now, what put this townhouse on my radar is this awesome feature. They've got a turntable at the front, which is fantastic. Now, this is a really cool thing. I haven't seen this in Altona North before, and it solves that problem of being on the main road when you're trying to back out. In terms of the facade, it's perfect. Two tones, and what I really like is that this builder has developed a unique design scheme that as soon as you see one of their projects, you know it's them. The house is full of light as soon as you walk through. We've got a feature staircase here, and they've placed a skylight directly above the stairs, which is the perfect spot. They've gone for a neutral color with the flooring. Again, great choice. The kitchen's pretty cool. We've got a black and white color scheme, and that goes with the rest of the theme of the house. One thing I want to point out is the sleek AC ducts. It's not a big thing, but it just shows their attention to detail. Overall, it's a really good space. Only things I would do differently is I would use canister lights here instead of this pendant, and I would extend the joinery so you'd have a living unit here as well. Other than that, it's an awesome space. And you've also got floor to ceiling stacker doors here, which you don't see that often, like all the way.